I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to keep track of your data usage on your Bouygues device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Bouygues device. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Go to Network and Internet. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Network and Internet. This section contains all your connectivity options, including data usage. Step 3. Select Data Usage. Once in the Network and Internet section, look for data usage and tap on it. This will show you how much data you've used over a specific period. Step 4. View Mobile Data Usage. In the Data Usage menu, select Mobile Data Usage. Here, you can see detailed statistics about your data consumption by app. Step 5. Set Data Alerts. To avoid overage charges, consider setting data alerts. You can usually find this option in the Mobile Data Usage section. Just toggle on the alerts for when you reach a certain limit. If you don't set alerts, you might be surprised by your bill at the end of the month. Keeping an eye on your usage can save you from unexpected charges. I hope this helps you manage your data effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.